In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print frozen panes on every page in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet you want to print. This is a common situation when you're working with a longer spreadsheet and want the top row or even certain columns to stay visible while you scroll. Many people use frozen panes for that purpose on screen, but it's important to know that frozen panes only help during editing and navigation inside Excel. They do not automatically carry over when you print. That's where the Print Titles feature comes in. If your worksheet contains headers like Product, Category, and Sales, you'll want those labels to appear at the top of every printed page, so the report stays easy to read. Without repeated headers, the first page may make sense, but the following pages can become confusing because the column labels are missing. To do this, start by making sure your worksheet is open. Then go to the Page Layout tab at the top of Excel. In that tab, click Print Titles. This opens the Page Setup window where you can control how your sheet prints across multiple pages. Next, look for the Sheet tab if it is not already selected. In that section, click inside the box labeled Rows to repeat at top. This is where you tell Excel which row should appear on every printed page. After clicking in the box, select the header row in your worksheet. For example, if your headers are in the first row, Excel will show something like $1:1 $1. That tells Excel to repeat row 1 at the top of every page. Once that's set, click OK to save the setting. A helpful tip here is to always preview before printing, especially if your sheet spans several pages. To do that, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. In the print preview, scroll through the pages and confirm that your header row appears at the top of each one. When everything is set correctly, the result is simple and very useful. Your header row, such as Product, Category, and Sales, will print on every page automatically. This makes multi-page reports much easier to review, share, and understand. So even though frozen panes help while you work in Excel, Print Titles is the feature you need when you want those headers repeated in print.